Hi everyone. Civils Daily's 28 days unbreakable challenge went live last evening. We launched a video. We told you that people who are sincere, who have all the material of the world, who have watched all the videos, attempted some mock tests, and have come to a very sincere conclusion कि यार momentum नहीं बन पा रहा है. This challenge is only for those people. 55 folks have already joined us. This video is for the last 45 guys who want to understand more about what this challenge is all about. So I'll give you straight. I've spoken with so many rankers in the past, especially आपने अगर raw and real videos देखे होंगे. And invariably you will see that some of the rankers lay huge emphasis on mock tests. Some lay huge focus on previous year questions. Some say that, dude, we didn't attempt a single mock test. I just went ahead and cleared the prelims. Some say I kept myself diligently hooked onto a timetable and did it every day, day after day for the last 1 year. तो कुछ भी ना consensus नहीं बन रहा था. But one thing which every one of them said was that make sure that you do everything and not break your momentum for more than 2 days in a row. समझ रहे हो? You'll have high days, you'll have low days, but make sure that 2 days in a row they shouldn't go flat. But it's not easy, right? It's easier said than done to not make it happen, but it's not easy. And therefore, this 28-day challenge has been crafted by us specifically. So ensure कि almost every alternate day, we give you a challenge which is relevant for this prelims exam, which is going to come right the corner. It's either going to be a small mock test, it's either going to be a small crash course on polity, history, geography and whatnot, or it's going to be a new way of cracking the most important, most practical bits or remembering them about this particular subject. But whatever you do, you will have to show the proof of work to us. Okay? The challenge is built along the principles of reward, constraint, penalties, and constant evolution. When you join us, and I really implore you to join us, trust me with this, we've crafted this so nicely, so tightly. When you join us, you will find yourself along with other 99 students who are committed it for the next 28 days of their life with us. आप 7 दिन ही ज्वाइन करके देखो, you will see the difference. You will see how everyday part, sir, Sukanya sir, Prayas, or either me, or we'll bring a ranker. We'll take a session with you, which is not just going to be an academic session, but it's going to be an exercise making you do something. So if you're struggling with the problem of maintaining momentum, look nowhere else, join the program. If you're struggling with giving the mock test but not able to analyze them, look nowhere, join us, we will do this in a group. If you're struggling to find the right set of content, the right most concise set of content for the next 30 days, कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, join us. The course, which is this challenge, is only about 399 rupees. Once you join in, you will get a Telegram link जहाँ पे आपको आज के शाम का Zoom session link मिलेगा, which will be the orientation session. Only 100 students we are taking. You're the last of the 45. Read the link below in the description. All the details are mentioned there. Whatever is going to happen day by day, week after week, आपका evolution कैसे होगा, how will you kind of feel that positivity, that motivation, that momentum as you go through. All of that is written in text. Worst case scenario, and this is absolute worst case scenario. अगर आपको लगता है, you join in and you feel कि no, I'm not able to do it, and I'm feeling more demotivated, we will refund you the money within the first 7 days. No questions asked. This is a complete win-win scenario for you. Every day we'll be asking 1 hour, 1 full hour of your time every day for the exercise that we are going to give you. When you submit it back to us on Telegram, we'll be checking that exercise. We'll be giving you sahi kiya ki nahi kiya, ya what else you could have done, so that you kind of live and breathe these last 30 days with us. And trust me, the kind of experience and the kind of the energy that this will kind of give in your headspace, the prelims would be the last and the easiest hurdle for you to cross. So read the description in this YouTube video on the description link. If you have any question, comment back. I'll be answering them personally. Join the challenge. We'll see you today evening with the first Zoom call on the Telegram group link, which you will get once you join the program. Take care, and I'll see you on the other side today evening and for the rest of the 28 days. Bye.